Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Almira Tunggadewi. I'm from class 11C. Here, I will show you how to make an onion ring. Before we get into the tutorial, you can read the procedure text here. First, slice the onion into rings. Then separate each layer into rings. Place the onions in ice water so they'll be crispy when fried. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then add water. Mix the flour until well combined. Dip each onion ring into the batter. Coat the onion rings evenly with breadcrumbs. Add the onions back into the wet butter. And coat it evenly in breadcrumbs again. Fry the onion rings until golden brown. Flip the onions so they don't burn. Remove the onions from the remaining oil, then drain them. And here are the results.